Hello? Hello?
Hi everyone, it's Kiana from Washington Emergency Management. Two of my friends at the beginning of the year made a bet for who would finish building their go bag first. Let's see who won.
Hey, just calling to say that I won our bet. I finished my go bag before you.
What? Already?
Yep.
Everything.
Everything.
Even the water purification kit?
Got it right here.
Oh my gosh, no way. How about spare medicine?
Got it.
That's awesome. What about copies of important documents?
Got them scanned and on a flash drive in a waterproof container.
You are on top of it. But how about more specifics? What type of documents do you have?
I have my driver's license and my social security card.
All right, that's pretty good, but I think there are a couple other ones that you might want to consider.
Like what?
Your medical information, insurance policies and numbers, banking information, maybe records of your current finances, bills, loans, other ongoing payments, identification and vaccine information for your pets, rental agreements, leases, estate documents. Really just think about what you would need to get your life back on track. Couple things.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I definitely didn't think of all that. I'm not even sure where all of that is right now. Or if I even have it.
It's okay. I'll help you, and don't have to feel overwhelmed.
Awesome. Thank you.
Cool.
Alyssa was so close, and she's done a great job at building her grab-and-go kit. But Taylor is right, and there are a few other important documents that we may need to have in a disaster. While we are in tax season and you likely have important documents easily accessible, now is the perfect time to make sure you have extra copies of all the important documents you might need in a disaster. Did Taylor's never-ending list of documents seem daunting? Don't worry, there are helpful tools to make this preparedness activity super simple. At the bare minimum, check out this disaster checklist, which gives a list of the important documents you may need in a disaster. If you have a little more time, check out the Emergency Financial First Aid Kit. It serves as a workbook for compiling copies of important documents, important account numbers, policy numbers, and contact information for organizations like your insurance company. Once you have the originals and copies of your important documents collected, make sure to save them in more than one safe location. This could be secured online or in a safe, on a password-protected USB flash drive, or better yet, with your out-of-area contact. I will definitely be taking advantage of tax season when all my important documents are easily accessible to update my family's Emergency Financial First Aid Kit. I'll also send updated important numbers to my out-of-area contact. I encourage you to make preparedness easy on yourself and secure your important documents while they're already out. Happy preparing and stay safe.